Number 11 says, during morning rounds you check a patient's IV at 35 mLs per hour. The order was for 1200 units per hour. How many units per hour is the patient getting? Is the flow rate correct? And the solution is 25,000 units of heparin in 1,000 milliliters. So the patient is actually getting 35 milliliters per hour, and they're supposed to be getting 1,200 units per hour. So I need to convert the 35 mLs per hour to units per hour, and then compare that answer with the 1,200. So I'm going to use the solution strength to convert this. So I'm setting up a proportion. $25,000 times 35 divided by 1,000, and we get 875 units per hour. So is the flow rate correct? So this is no, because they're supposed to be getting 1,200 units per hour, and they're actually only getting 875 units per hour. So the question is done, but I do want to show an alternate way that you could check to see if this is correct. So we converted the 35 mLs per hour to units per hour and compared it with the 1,200. The other way of doing it is to convert the 1,200 units per hour to mLs per hour and compare that with the 35. And it should be consistent. So if we just take the solution strength and set it up in a proportion with the 1,200, 1,000 times 1,200 divided by 25,000, we get 48 mLs per hour. And this does not match the 35 mLs per hour. So this would also be no. So again, it is consistent, and you don't have to do this alternate way. In fact, because they asked us to find how many units per hour, you have to do it the first way, but this is an alternate way to check.